Assalamu alaikum, my good viewers. Today I'm going to Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm going to discuss syllabus for Bachelor in Science, English, Bachelor in English syllabus. So, how can we help our Bachelor in English students? Because our semesters are included 4 years program now. So, if you can, I think I can show you if you can see now. I've shared the screen now. This is the Ministry of Higher Education of Pakistan scheme of studies. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel, please. Yaad rakhiye. You should remember me. Semester-wise breakdown of BS English course. Okay, it was BA in English. Okay, before it was 2 years. Then the government changed it, and now HEC, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, has revised it. So it has semester-wise breakdown. First year, year one, you have course title, study skill, a compulsory, general course, introduction to geography, general course. These courses have three credit hours. Pakistan Studies compulsory is a compulsory course, not general, 2 credit hours. English 1, reading and writing skill. That was the necessity of the time to include this course. This is good, but it's foundational, not higher level. 3 credit hours. Introduction to literary studies, subject-specific foundational, it is 3 credit hours. Introduction to language studies, subject-specific foundational, 3 credit hours. Total 17 credit hours for year one. Second semester, if you can see here, every year has 2 semesters. Second semester will also have 17 credit hours. Islamic studies compulsory, 2 hours, 2 hours, and elementary mathematics and statistics general, 3 hours. Introduction to philosophy general, 3 hours. English 2 composition writing foundational, 3 credit hours. Introduction to phonetics and phonology, 3 hours. It's a great thing that they have included phonetics and phonology at bachelor level. Literary forms and movement, 3 hours, total credit hours 17. Now, if you can go for year two, third semester, Introduction to Information and Computer Technology, ICT skills, foundational, 2 + 1 hour. Islamic History and Culture General, 3 credit hours. And English 3 Communication and Presentation skills, this foundational, 3 credit hours. Short fiction, narratives, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Introduction to Morphology, subject-specific, 3 credit, total 18 credit hours for this third semester. Fourth semester, Human Rights and Citizenship Compulsory General, 3 credit hours. English 4, Academic Reading and Writing, Foundation, 3 credit hours. Classical and Renaissance Drama, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Classical Poetry, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Okay, Semantics, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. And Rise of Novel, 18th to 19th century, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Okay, then for fifth semester, in third year, fifth semester, Introduction to International Relations, General, 3 credit hours. Introduction to Environmental Studies, Compulsory General, 3 credit hours. Romantic and Victorian Poetry, 3 credit hours. Foundation of Literary Theory and Criticism, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Social Linguistics, subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Popular Fiction is 3 credit hours. Sixth semester, Modern Poetry, 3 credit hours. All have 3 credit hours. Modern Drama, Modern Novel, Grammar and Syntax, Discourse and Studies, Creative Non-Fiction, all is 3 credit hours, total 18 credit hours. Fourth year, you have Research Methods and Term Paper Writing, 3 credit hours. Introduction to Applied Linguistics, 3 credit hours. Introduction to Stylistics, 3 credit hours. Literary Theory and Practice, 3 credit hours. Pakistani Literature in English is subject-specific, 3 credit hours. Okay, English math, the 8th semester for this English, for BS English is post-colonial literature, 3 credit hours. American literature, 3 credit hours. Introduction to Translation Studies, 3 credit hours. Introduction to Women Writing, 3 credit hours. In Word English is 3 credit hours. So this is all. If you can see here, these are electives for BS English program. English literature you can take. In English literature you can take African literature, post-colonial women writing, post-modern fiction, Islam, and Western literature, Pakistani folk literature, or also you can, if you want to do English language or linguistics, if you want to have a foundation base and you want to go for master in English linguistics, or English language, or master applied linguistics, and then MPhil or MS in English linguistics, or applied linguistics or language. So then you can take these courses, emerging trends in social linguistics, introduction to computational linguistics, ESP, English for specific purpose, introduction to critical pedagogy, Pakistani English, second language acquisition, reduction to syntax, introduction of forensic linguistics and clinical linguistics, language testing and assessment, language and education, language and gender, corpus linguistics. So this is all. The credit hours are the same as you see. We have foundational, we have to fill number of courses 5, credit hours 15, compulsory number of courses 2, and credit hours 4, compulsory general number of credits are 3, and credit hours are 9, general 5 and 15, credit hours 15. Subject specific foundation 4 and credit hour 12, subject specific 27 courses, 81 credit hours. So this is what is the total total scenario of this. Where we have to go, we will be having lectures on English courses. So the first English course will be English reading and writing, this one, which will be our next lecture 1 on for our Bachelor in Science English courses, BS English courses, okay, and Introduction to Studies. Okay, because some students, they were contacting me, asking me to start here from applied linguistics or linguistic introduction to applied linguistics. So we'll see, but we will most probably we will go year-wise, first semester, second semester. This way you will touch English courses. So inshallah, I think you will like this video, and if you are the new student, you can join the you can see the lecture from year 1. If you are second semester, you will see your videos. Third semester, 4th to 6th, wait for your videos. We are trying to upload lectures. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, inshallah, I hope so. And some of those who, when I was uploading PhD defense Viva video, PhD research proposal video, some they asked me, I did not upload videos about the lectures on how to defend, how to prepare for PhD Viva, pre-Viva, and how to defend, how to go for PhD Viva defense. So these 2 videos I will prepare. I am only free on weekend. I have a university teaching job, a lot of pressure, load of work on me. So that's why I see when I have time I will do. I'm involved in research also. So please, to motivate me, you can subscribe this channel so that I should be able to produce good videos for you. Thank you very much, and have a nice time, please. Okay, and bye-bye.